Good morning, everyone. I believe you may have some questions. I don't have any prepared remarks, but if you have a couple questions, I'd be more than happy to answer whatever I could.
Did anything happen behind closed doors and some of the motions that were filed?
Not much is happening today. The case was continued. Today was just kind of a lot of administrative, some housekeeping stuff. Nothing's been ruled upon or decided at this time.
We had heard that you're hoping that Kimberly can get her cell phone back. Can you get into that?
Yeah, we do anticipate that'll be returned probably later this week. We do anticipate that motion being granted.
And how about the other one in terms of changing an address on a protective order? Maybe she can get back in the house?
With respect to the protective order, we do believe that'll be addressed at the next court date. We don't anticipate any issues with that either.
Is she open to live there or just get some things out of the house?
We'll see. That's all to be determined.
What's the next court date?
The next court date will be May 27th.
Will your client accept responsibility?
My client has done nothing wrong. She is adamant that she is innocent, and she is innocent of anything until a jury decides otherwise.
This young man put out a statement, I believe, last week, and you would put out a statement the next day. You didn't seem too thrilled that he put that out. Can you get into one?
I think our statement speaks for itself. We responded to it. I don't think there's anything else that needs to be said about it.
What's your hope walking away from today? Where do you hope to be at?
We're in a good spot right now. We've gotten a lot of discovery in the case. We're going through it all. There is more discovery that the state will be providing to us. We believe they're working diligently on getting that to us. We are preparing our defense, and we're looking forward to our day in court.
Are you hoping to change the location of this trial?
That waits to be determined. You know, obviously one of our concerns is making sure our client gets a fair trial. So obviously we pay attention to what's being reported and how it's being reported and how she's being portrayed in the media. Obviously we have some concerns. Some media outlets have used very inflammatory language, have already convicted her, and that's obviously a problem. So we're obviously going to push back on that. But when the time comes, we're going to try and find jurors that can be fair and impartial, and jurors that have not made up their mind based on the limited information they've been provided.
Can you speak to the removal of the GPS monitor? Is that something that you're hoping to see happen?
Yes, so we actually, an appeal was filed of the court's prior ruling that is currently pending before the appellate court. Attorney Paz filed that on our behalf. The state did file a response. We are waiting for the court to make a decision.
Such a widely publicized case, is it going to be hard to find jurors that are not impartial? I mean, how do you expect that process to go?
It's going to be a long process. It'll be a tedious process. But in Connecticut, we have what's called individual voir dire. So we will be able to talk to jurors one at a time. And, we're hopeful to find people that will keep an open mind and that have not already made a decision in this case.
Okay, one more, guys. Does she love her stepson?
Sure she does.
What's Norm Patterson's role in the case?
Thank you.
Okay.
What's
Thank you
Norm
very much.
Patterson-
I can answer that one. Attorney Pattis's office filed the appeal of the appellate of the bond issue. So Attorney Paz from Pattis's office, Pattis's partner, is handling that, and so that's their involvement in the case.